Oh yeah, it barks.
Yes.
Your dog also?
Yeah.
He loves he loves being the center of attention.
He loves being the center of love. Attention.
Very good. And Harsh.
Balls. uh,
Fluffy what? There are.
there are many challenges to have a dog. She is very active and she afraid for bath.
So today we'll do a podcast. Huh?
Black
Okay.
Pomeranian.
So you can have this black dog with you.
Yes.
And Harsh, then you will have penguin. You will have to talk about different activities of the dog. We'll talk about personality in this podcast. Different personality जो मैंने आपको कल सिखाया था. The breeds we can choose is Pomeranian.
Pomeranian.
What will you say?
Pomeranian.
Pomeranian. So hi, welcome to my Fluency podcast. We have two very cute, fluffy dogs with us today, and with them, joining us are Raj and Harsh. They are two dog lovers. They have different opinions about their pets. So today we'll have some questions and answers with them, and we'll get to know what they think about their dog, how they carry their dogs, and some other interesting facts about the dogs. So let's start. So, hi Harsh. Hi Raj. So let's start with this dog's introduction. So Harsh, please tell me something about your dog.
Hi. Thank you for inviting me in the podcast. My dog breed is Pomeranian, and his name is Gulabo, and he is so fluffy and looks like a fluffy ball on the legs.
Okay, nice. And what about you, Raj? Tell me something about this.
Hi, thank you for inviting me on your podcast. And my name is Raj, and my dog is a black Pomeranian, and he has a fluffy and tiny, uh, and he
Fluffy and tiny tail.
tail, and he thinks he is the uh, little guard of our house.
Boss of the house. Yeah, lovely introduction. So my next question is, what's the name of the dog, by the way? Your dog.
My dog name is Kalu.
Okay, and what's her name?
Her name is Gulabo.
Okay, Raj, why did you choose Kalu as your pet?
Pomerian dog is very fluffy and very active, and my Kalu is very active dog, and he is ready to play every time. And his black fluffy hair is look very cool.
Okay, and so Harsh, why did you choose Gulabo as a pet?
Hmm. First time when I saw her, I couldn't resist her pinkish hair and fluffy balls. uh,
Fluffy what?
Sorry. Because our
Fluffy
garage-
body.
I think that she would bring joy and happiness in my house. So I bring her.
I brought her to my house. Very good. So yes, next question is, tell us something funny. Some funny moments with your dogs. Yes, Raj.
Yeah, with my dogs, I have lots of funny moments, and I want to share one of them. And he is like to hide my slippers on the bed, in the bed,
Under the bed.
under the bed, and then I take an hour to find my slipper, and he sitting like a small guard.
Okay, lovely. And Harsh, your funny moments?
Uh, she is very active dog, and she loves to chase her own tail. And sometimes he spins so fast that she falls. And I love to see her childish activities and
Oh, nice.
her funny moments.
Okay, perfect. So my next question is, tell me the most challenging part of owning this dog.
He barks every time, and barks in wind also, and he's protecting us to invisible enemies,
From invisible enemies.
from invisible enemies.
Okay, nice. And Harsh, did you do you face challenges? Any challenge that you faced while you when you
Yeah,
have this pet?
there is many challenges to have a dog.
There are.
There are many challenges to have a dog. She is very active and she afraid a bath for bath. And sometimes when I I go for a walk with her. She runs away very quickly, and I have to chase her and catch her for the to bring her home.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's the challenge, and there is many more challenges. So
Perfect, perfect. So we have some more questions, some more interesting things that we'll get to know. My next question is: if your dog could talk, what do you think? What would it say to you?
If my Kalu is talk, so
If my Kalu could talk,
if my Kalu could talk,
he would say,
he would say, Raj, please stop watching TV and play with me, because he loves to center of attention.
he loves, he loves being the center of attention.
He loves being the center of love, attention.
Very good. And Harsh,
uh, if my dog could talk, she could she speaks me.
she would say,
She would say that stop brushing me and bring me some delicious food, and she would say
so because she's like afraid of water.
and she's afraid of water, and she would say
When I
please
take her to
stop
bath?"
grooming.
Huh.
She would say please stop grooming me.
Okay, nice. Fine. So moving further, and definitely one thing I want to know. Oh, so one thing I want to know: who has the better dog? What do you think? Like you two are friends, right?
Yes.
So and you two have got different dogs, of different color, of course, same dog. So who is better one?
Obviously, Kalu is the best because he is more powerful than her, and he is very active, and he always entertain me.
Okay. Does it bark also,
Yes.
Bilal? अरे मुंह से कर लो ना क्या दिक्कत है? ऐसा कौन सी मुश्किल है? Oh yeah, it barks.
Yes.
Your dog also?
Yeah.
Okay, and finally, coming to the last question. I hope you guys enjoy this show till now.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the dogs are fighting right now.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, please calm them down. Calm them down.
Please calm down. Calm down.
So moving to the last question and the very important question of this podcast. If you could grant one wish to your dog, what wish that would be?
For Kalu,
Yeah, for Kalu.
I wish he has a hug playground. For huge.
Okay, you just fine.
I wish for Kalu have a huge playground for where he can run fast and jump highly, and hide my slippers also, and he barks when uh, when he want to
Whenever he
whenever he want to
bark.
bark.
Perfect. And what one wish you want for your what's her name again?
Gulabo.
So what one wish you want for Gulabo?
I would wish for Gulabo that she stays as she is. She is the perfect the way she is. She is fluffy and so cuddly. I love her very much, and I wish that she stay very long.
She stays. Oh,
She stays.
she lives very. She lives long. Lovely. Nice to hear. You guys are very attached to your pet that I can see,
Yeah.
and it's really good to see you here. And thank you so much for both
Thank
of
you.
you that you came to my show.
Thank you again inviting in your podcast. Thank you.
My dog is Pomeranian.
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 Huh.
Pomeranian and black Pomeranian. And
Hero बन गया रे.
So, hi, welcome to Fluency Podcast.